Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a special video I wanted to make because I recently discovered that my BlackBerry KEY2 LE is compatible with Xfinity Wireless's network. So I know they made an announcement, at least BlackBerry Mobile did, at CES back in January, saying that the KEY2 LE would be available for Verizon through the enterprise business thing, not normal consumers, but if you bought one, you're supposed to be able to use it on the network. Well, I don't use Verizon because Verizon, well, to me is expensive, but in some areas, it's really all that works. And I work kind of out in a remote area, and I always carry two phones. I have my primary phone, and I have the one I use for reviews and demos and all that good stuff. But I love my BlackBerry KEY2 LE, and I was concerned about it because it doesn't have Wi-Fi calling. And normally I use Wi-Fi calling because out in the middle of nowhere where I work, T-Mobile doesn't really work. Well, I didn't want to go and spend all the money to get a Verizon phone, so I went to Xfinity Wireless because it uses Verizon's towers. And I happen to have Xfinity for my internet, so you can go ahead and do that. Don't have to worry about the $10 surcharge, all that good stuff. And they've got some decent data plans. I'm not going to do any plugs for them, but it's cheaper, less commitment than Verizon, and you still get the same service. Now, it is usually like reduced speeds and stuff like that, but either way, I want to go ahead and demonstrate. So I was sitting around, I was like, you know what? Because I've got T-Mobile, as you can see right there, is indicated by the network. I was using my phone on T-Mobile, and I was switching my phones around. I was like, you know what? Let me try. Let me just plug my Xfinity wireless SIM card in and see if there's any spark, see if there's any magic that happens. And lo and behold, I was surprised because all I did was have to restart my phone, picked up all the carrier information, and then voila, we have Xfinity wireless service. So what I have right here is actually a really cool logo. I do like their logo. So I've got my Xfinity wireless SIM card here, and I'm going to put it in the phone and show you. So here we go. We got T-Mobile, and I wanted to demonstrate this so you could see how easy it is and demonstrate the whole unlock thing and being able to switch SIMs. So here we go. Got the SIM card tray, automatically locks the screen when you take the SIM card out. So out with the old. Line this up so we can go in with the new. All right, in with the new. I get the SIM card tray back in there. There we go. All right, so there we go. New SIM card detected. Restart your device to activate service provider customizations. Now we restart and see what happens. Of course, I already know what's going to happen. I've been using it for the last few days. But I thought that this would be a helpful video for some people. The same should work with Verizon. I haven't tested it personally, so I can't guarantee it. But ideally, if you have a Verizon phone, you have a Verizon SIM card, you should just be able to plug the SIM card into the BlackBerry KEY2 LE. It should work, no problems. Just like this. Just like it did with Verizon, with Xfinity. Now, the one problem I had, it was annoying when I switched from T-Mobile over to Xfinity Wireless because they told me I could only port in an iPhone. So you may have some difficulty just going over there and be like, hey, I want to switch over so I can plop one of your SIM cards into my BlackBerry KEY2 LE. This might be something that only benefits current Xfinity Wireless customers, so you already have the SIM card and the line set up. I don't know. That's something to wrestle with and talk to your Xfinity provider with, or Verizon, if you want to go with Verizon. And if you want to use Big Red, what better phone to use than a big red BlackBerry? All right, so put in my super secret pin. And here we go. Xfinity Mobile. Ta-da! I've been calling it Xfinity Wireless. Xfinity Mobile, Xfinity Wireless, whatever. Same thing. Ta-da! And we'll go ahead and drop down. As you can see, Xfinity Mobile. We don't want to turn off the data now. Ta-da! Easy peasy. And it works. So no worries there. Anyway, so that's the demonstration video. That's how simple it is. That's how easy it is. And it's super cool that we can get a BlackBerry now that we can use on Xfinity Mobile as well as Verizon. So it is the year 2019. New things, wonderful things are happening. And this is one of them with the BlackBerry KEY2 LE. So there you go, folks. If you have any questions or comments about this, please leave them in the hit the comment section down below and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching, and I'm happy to say this service works great. I've been using it for the last week now, I guess, and it's muy bueno. Anyway, so that's all I got, and I'll see you guys next time.